In case you're wondering, the weather here right now, the weather here is it's winter time. So, and I don't know if you can hear the wind howling through my windows, but that's what that noise is. That's the wind howling through my window here, and you can see how the water is really being pushed ashore from the wind. It must be blowing 30 miles an hour or greater. But there's no rain. It did this the other night, and it was lots of rain. It was all over my porch, on my balcony. I had to push it all off. But anyway, that's your friendly weather report from Manta today. Straight from Don Shader's channel. Have a good day. Ciao, ciao.